I'm out with oldest friend. We're at the out gang. We're going to have a fling around here. There's a few kids messing around on bikes around here. We're going to have a fling around with the trucks. Now you might remember the video where that got a little bit of superficial damage. Oh! Something's gone. Oh, that's snapped. Yeah, that damage. Hardly superficial. But I've got the new hub carrier on, and well, first test. Right, I'm going to be playing a bit one-handed just to kind of. Dug in the dirt already. It's going to be very dusty, this one. Good start.
That was a beautiful one. Yes.
Hello, sorry about that. So that was a bit short-lived. We've got a wobbly motor issue and a that's come off. Sticky pads have come off
Again.
We're just trying to got some Allen's just trying to tighten this up. Right, botch job done on that. What I brought with me today is a new drone. It's the DJI Flip, and I've got this because the Potentic Atom, you might remember if you saw the camping video, I did do this reprobate. No, that one.
Hey.
And so I bought the DJI Flip because the Potentic Atom is atomized. So I'm going to have a fly around with this. So the next bit of footage you'll see will be from this. Yeah, I've got to say, I like this. I quite enjoyed it. The controls on this are so much easier than the Potentic Atom. It's a lot easier to control. Yeah, now the other reason for getting this for me was because I think this controller will work with the FPV Neo, so I'm going to give that a go in a bit because I've got that with me too. Right, we're going to bugger about a bit and have a little bit of a race around these posts in the middle. I'm going to try this one-handed so that I can record the action. So I don't know how this is going to go.
I'm not.
No, oldest friend isn't.
3, 2, 1, go.
Taking the shortcut already. I'm going wide. Oh, I spun out. Right, oldest friend has put new batteries in his. Mine's still running the same 4S, so it's going to go at some point.
2S
anyway.
versus 4S.
Yeah. And yours is wider. Right.
So I've got to do with it.
Stability.
Oh, yeah. Right, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I've gone really. Oh, I've spun out. Lost it. Properly lost it. I've gone really wide here. Let's bring it back in. Are we starting again then?
Yeah, start again. We've never done racing before. It's quite fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right. 3,
2, 1, go. Oh, got a little bit of a header. Oh, watch out for those posts. That's what I did. Oh, I've gone wide.
Have you got your 6S?
Yeah, I've got 6S.
How many laps are we doing?
Don't know. I think you've won that one. Let's call that one it. Oh. Speed isn't always the answer with racing. That's the snag, isn't it?
Yeah. And don't forget, I am a driver as well
as a flyer.
flyer.
Right, let's do that again.
Right.
3, 2, 1, go. I need to get tighter on the corners, that's better. Oh, I've gone really wide there. Still. Oh, oh, lost it, go.
Oh, watch out. Don't want to fit.
Flipped out again. 3, 2, 1. Cheating. Oh.
He said, "Cracking." Should we start that again?
It's a bully match, this one. This is more like Donkey Derby. Donkey Derby?
Donkey Derby.
She's done it again. Come on, Nita. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Right. Mounted. Get off. Go. Ooh.
Start again.
No, let's just go. Demolition Derby. Oh, it's still going. That's quite good fun, actually.
Isn't it?
Well, we've packed up, we've had a bit of fun. You know what to do if you like what I'm doing on this channel in terms of liking, subscribing, and all that jazz. Time to go home. Sounded like my joints.